To use Pro Mode on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all we need to go to the camera. Over here in the camera we're gonna go to the More section, and then you should be able to find the Pro Mode. And of course over here we have a couple of different parameters that can be used to adjust the photo, like its shutter speed, exposure, ISO, and so on and so forth. So let me quickly explain what these parameters do. So first we have ISO, and over here we can control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, but higher ISO helps in low light conditions. However, too high ISO can add grain or noise to your photos. Now, in addition to that, of course, we can manually adjust the ISO, but if you want to, you can switch it to automatic by tapping on this manual text on the left side. Then we have the shutter speed, and the shutter speed decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion as a result. And fast speeds freeze action. Over here we can of course move left and right as well to adjust the shutter speed, and if you tap on the manual button, you will turn on automatic shutter speed. Now this plus and minus is the exposure, and this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image, and it's just a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker. And this is the only parameter that is not automatic, and it is just manual, so you have to manually adjust it if you need to make your photo lighter or brighter. Sorry, lighter or darker. And then we have the AF, sometimes it is MF, and sometimes it might be just F, and this is focus, automatic focus or manual focus. So of course focus allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo, and here we can of course set it to automatic quite easily by choosing the center option. There is also the multi option as well, and we have the manual option, so it's up to you which one you prefer to use. And then we have WB, which is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. If you move to lower values, you will have cooler colors, and if you move to higher values, you will apply warmer colors. And of course, we can set it to be automatic. There's also the tint option, which is available while not using automatic white balance. You can adjust the tint over here as well, and it seems to be manual, just like the exposure. And there we go. Now, in case you forget about any of these things, keep in mind that most of the time there is also this I button, and that we can use to find a little description of these parameters. So if you tap on any of these parameters, you can use this I icon to remind yourself what it does. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.